So Stefan, you were saying that you and David Drucker played a lot of doubles together when you were in high school. A lot of people know who David Drucker is, and they're going to now be learning all about you. What kind of value can you add to the people on Long Island and Queens about the unique things about doubles in tennis?
Well, actually, David and I played a bunch of doubles tournaments together through the Eastern section, and we built our ranking and gained a lot of experience from it. I played doubles this year at school for Bryant University, and I've learned a lot about it through my coaches and my training. The different techniques used, the net play, the style of serves that you need to use for doubles as opposed to singles, the footwork, and where you want to be on the court. It's a lot different, and through my aspect of the game and my style of play, I think I can really help if you want to learn the game of doubles.